I know a lot of people, I mean, this is a day, today is Sunday, December 27th, so it's 2 days after Christmas. If you were disappointed of not being able to get a graphics card for Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate, I'm not trying to like disrespect other people, but I don't know if you noticed lately, but it's been very vacant for the amount of GPUs that have been out and available for consumers to purchase at different retailers, even online and offline, especially if you're trying to get the RTX 3000 series. You know, with that, I want to say, of course, this year has been a bit of a shitty year. I mean, I have to say it, especially on the consumer end and the manufacturer end. Other than that, the demand on GPUs have been so much in the past couple of months, even year, I want to say, because all the new games coming out, like the Cyberpunk 2077, Bitcoin being as big as it is, passing 20,000, now it's currently like borderlining 24,000, which is not even helping with the current GPU shortage and the current price gougers and scalpers that are out that already have these graphics cards, like the 3070, even the 3090, even the still 2000 series I've seen are sold out at many places online and still go higher than MSRP sometimes. So I want to say the stop hoping for getting a CPU, or no, getting a GPU from anywhere, even just as of right now, just until the demand for it dies down enough to where you don't have a chance of spending about $60,000 for a RTX 3090. And I know there's some retailers who, even in store, have had a couple in stock and then immediately sold them because people were wanting them. And sometimes, like online, you can get lucky and be able to get yourself hands-on with like a 3080 or 3090 just so that you can run Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing or something like that. The only thing I see about these is the bots. They're becoming more sophisticated. People are spending more time and thought into making them, so they're not as shitty as they were like probably a year ago, and probably get to the point to where they behave almost human-like. And with you know, AI being, you know, as sophisticated as it can be, the only thing that I see other than that would help out the shortage is by different online retailers and stores becoming more aware and trying to combat these. Other than that, I say don't even try to get a graphics card. Just wait. Maybe if you really desperately need one, go the second-hand route, but not, I want to say not on eBay, but there's other places where people have sold, especially scalp cards, because I mean there's just such a high demand for them. I wanted to make this quick little video. I mean, this is all my opinion. You don't have to go by what I say. If you have the money, if you want to spend $60,000 on a graphics card, by all means, I'm not gonna stop you. Just make sure you use the Amazon affiliate link or the eBay affiliate link in my description. I don't even know if I have one. What would the commission of that be? 60,000. What's a 20%? 20% commission. That's about $12,000. So yeah. Go use my link down in the description and then go on eBay and spend $60,000, because then I can get a little kickback. Sorry if you hear my dog's collar. I'm outside and I got a new camera. I got an M50 with a Rode mic. This is a little Christmas present I gave to myself, so hope everything looks good. I know this is 60 FPS, 1080p. I don't have to get 720p, 60 FPS just to, you know, get the FPS and then scale it up, because that looks trash. Also 4K, that's kind of hard, and it took like an hour to render out a 5-minute video on my current rig. Either I need to spend like $1,000 getting that beefed up, or spending $1,000 on a 4K camera. I don't. Either way, my computer couldn't handle it. And also, look at this focusing. Like, wait, yeah, like, oh, I can just move all around. I don't even have to worry about whether things are in focus or not, because it will focus it for me. All right, I'm out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to watch my other videos, and don't miss my S20 review. The first day with it right here, the pros and cons. I go into that. Yeah, I got that for $300. Better than spending $700.